Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to use the future volume indicator for MT4. All right, I'm going to be showing you how to use the future volume indicator for MT4. If you want to download the indicator, just check the description below. You should find the link. After doing that, head on to your indicators folder and paste the indicator file in there. After that, you should head back to your navigator and just refresh. All right, after refreshing, you should find the indicator in your navigator, but if you still don't find it, you might have to restart your terminal. Okay, so after doing that, just look for the future volume indicator, drag and drop. Ensure that you allow the LL import box is checked, and then for your input settings, you can see the different customizable settings. You can decide to modify the values according to your taste, and then the colors as well. Whichever preference you have, of course, the ball is in your court. Now, this is how the indicator looks like. As you can see, the indicator gives precise buy and sell signals in the form of arrows, and then in addition to that, you will notice these lines that are also showing you, the signal that you should take. You can see that they are in alignment with the arrows, right? Where you have a blue arrow, you will notice that a blue line is just going to be below that. And when you have a red arrow, you'll notice that there's going to be a red line just below that, okay? So now, whenever you have a blue line and a blue arrow appear, obviously, it's a buy signal. And then when you have a red line and a red arrow appear, it's a sell signal. Now, as you can see, this signal didn't play out as expected. This one was just a pullback. This one played out well. This played out, quite well. This played out well as well. This one didn't exactly play out as expected. This just shows you that no indicator is foolproof, right? The indicator, might generate false signals sometimes. Okay, so pay attention to your risk management. Do not trade with an amount you can't afford to lose, and ensure that you always get confirmations, to support the indicator signals, right? When the indicator gives you a signal, at least you should get a confirmation before executing the trade. Okay, so now if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.